Hello everybody, it's the Hungry Piney. So nice out today. Think we're gonna do a little grill cleaning. Check out this big mess. Don't worry, we got the magic formula right here. Don't worry at all. Stay tuned. Hello, on with the show. First of all, you want to turn up your griddle to high, all the burners. Get it nice and hot. Gonna take a few minutes, so while we're waiting, check this out. A 1, 2, 3, 4, hidey ho, hidey ho. It's the Hungry Piney cooking show, hidey ho. Hidey ho, it's been about 15 minutes or so. This thing's heating up. You can see the stuff bubbling up. So while you're waiting, get yourself a roll of paper towels, some tongs, and the magic ingredients. New Jersey Pine Barrens water. This is well water right here. Any water will do. Just don't put no soap or anything. You got this going. On with the magic. Squirt it on there. Put it in there. Every little crease and crevice. Look at all that. It's all flavor. Woo doggy. Flavor. Paper towel with your tongue. Start wiping it around. If you have to, put some more water on there. Yeah. Keep rubbing it all around. Get all that off there. I usually do it twice, just to make sure I got everything. Slide it down here in the grease pit hole. Yeah. You have it. Spanking new. Now what you want to do is reseason it. I use olive oil. A lot of other people use vegetable oil or slack oil, whatever. It's all the same. Don't let them tell you anything different. Just put it on your hot grill with the oil. Take your napkin again. Just start rubbing it in there. Put a nice fine coating on there. Get every little nook and cranny. Seasoning. You gotta do it. Have it all seasoned up, ready for some good eatings. Till next time, I'm the Hungry Piney.